سلێمانی دەرفەتێک بێ بۆ باسکردن و بەدواداچوونی کۆمەڵێ لەو پرسە گرنگانەی ڕوبەڕووی وڵاتەکەمان و چاوەڕوانی خەڵکی ئەم نیشتیمانە دەبێتەوە. Special message that has been conveyed to the forum from the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres.
I'm pleased to greet the Sulaimani Forum and thank you for advancing dialogue on the complex challenges facing Iraq and the broader Middle East region. Mesopotamia is the ancient land between the rivers. It cannot become the modern land without rivers.
تعهدنا خلاله على تقديم الخدمات لشعبنا وبناء اقتصاد قوي متماسك ونهضوي لهذا البلد. العراق ينظر للولايات المتحدة أنها شريك استراتيجي.
العراق خاوەن دەوڵەمەندیەکی گەورەی مرۆیی و سروشتیە. دەکرێت بە باشترین شێوە بقۆزرێتەوە تا ببێتە یەکێک لە وڵاتە پێشکەوتووەکان و شوێن و پێگەی شایستەی خۆی لە ناوچەکە و لە جیهانیش وەربگرێت.
Now at the time, I said that only by focusing on the systemic concerns would it be possible to revive public trust.
Suffice to say, it's the Iraqi people's money, and so if it is being moved out of the country illegally, the problem is it's not going for the betterment of the Iraqi people.
The US-led occupation was also met with resistance, leading to a long and protracted conflict that lasted over a decade.
What I'm saying is that the 2,500 American troops are very significant for the United States' long-term engagement in Iraq. If there are no troops, I think there will be no American engagement.
Very important in Ministry of Oil is the refinery sector.
That the world is going to need $4 trillion of investment every year out to 2050 to reach global climate goals.
Implementation of the budget law, and if it gets implemented in the letter and the spirit that it was written in, I think there is a lot of money in the country that could be shared equitably.
عام 2017 الحكومة العراقية ضمن وثيقة أو برنامج السياسة الاقتصادية المقدم إلى صندوق النقد الدولي كانت قد أعطت وعد بأن يكون العجز صفر بحلول عام 2021.
Because corruption hides behind a very complicated procedures and routines and paperwork and bureaucracy of the state.